Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about quantifiers. They are widely used in English and I am going to show some. Let's go. What are they? Quantifiers indicate the quantity of a name. They are answers to the questions how many. The second one, like articles, quantifiers define a name and are always placed before the name. Some can be used only with countable names, but some with only uncountable names, and some with both. The last one, we use quantifiers to express the idea of quantity or number. Okay, let's go. The first is many. Okay, express the idea of large quantity. It is used especially in negative and interrogative sentences with the countable name in plural. You can use many in affirmative sentences, although it is not very common. For example, in negative, there are not many children. Question: how many cars does she have? And affirmative, I have many cousins in my family. With much, as many, it expresses the idea of great quantity and is used about all in negative and interrogative sentence. The second, the difference to many is that we use much only with uncountable singular nouns. You can use much in affirmative sentence, although it could be more formal and it is not as common. For example, negative, there is not much time. Question: how much money does she have? An affirmative, we have much to do today. Okay. For some, it used for both singular countable nouns or nouns and plural countable nouns or nouns. It used in affirmative and interrogative sentence. To affirm something replace any in negative or interrogative sentence. It means an indefinite but limited amount. For example, questions: are there some tourists? Affirmative, she has some cats. With any, it used in the same context as some, but in negative or interrogative sentence. For example, I do not have any cats. He does not have any money. Are there any chains? Is there any milk? A lot of or lots of. They express idea of great quantity. It can be used with countable and uncountable nouns or nouns. Unlike many and much, we don't use them in interrogative sentences. In general, lot of is more informal. In the language that we learned, a lot of is very, very informal. And you can find a lot of expressions with that. Examples: he has a lot of books. He doesn't have a lot of books. I have lots of money. I do not have a lot of money. Okay? Little and little. They express a small amount and are used only with uncountable names. The decision to use little or a little reflects an opinion on the quantity. If used a little, it means a positive opinion of the quantity, and if used little, it implies a negative opinion. For example, Do you have a little money? It reflects an opinion, positive opinion. The other one, we have little name. It implies a negative opinion. Express, do you have a lot of time? Few and few express a small number. A few can indicate a sufficient number. They are used only with countable names. Remember, countable. As we have seen above, the decision to use few or a few reflects the opinion of the amount expressed. Few describes the amount negatively, and a few describes its positively. Okay? Examples. Do you have a few dollars? The second one, there are few tourists here today. The second one express a bad or a negative amount. Okay? Okay, it's all for today. I hope that video has helped you understand our topic today. See you and thank you so much. Thank you.